What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Stormx Stmx, which has pumped up another 17% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at 0.007 cents, as you guys can see, getting closer to the 1 cent target. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to keep growing in value over the coming hours, days, and so on? And mainly looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it on a profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the next couple of hours, days, and so on? And also looking at its prediction, obviously, over the short term and over the long term as well. So over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Stormx go and how low it can go as well, and looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is not performing too well, as you can see. It's just over 0.5% down in the last 24 hours, but we do have Stmx as one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 3% in value. Over the last day, 17%. It was at about over 20% earlier on today, but it has taken a slight dip in value. Over the week, 6%, and over the month, a massive 103%. And obviously, there was a lot of hype around Stormx around July the 23rd, where it pumped up 300%, hitting over the 1 cent target, 0.0151, as you guys can clearly see. And ever since then, it has been dropping in value quite a bit guys, and yeah, right now it's trading at below the 1 cent target. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 37%, making it $305 million in trading, which is still a huge amount. And again, the only reason why the trading volume has gone up over the last 24 hours is clearly because of the increase in value. So more and more people are looking into the project. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, and hence why the trading volume is going up in value, in percentage. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Stormx, which is here in purple, at 0.005631 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.007581 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Stormx over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect Stmx to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to about 0.007 cents is where I'm expecting it to drop down to. But again, do expect it to be volatile, green candles and red candles. But once again guys, as I mentioned earlier, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, but that doesn't mean it's going to be a major crash or a major price drop or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange line once again looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. Yes, I know they do look like they are going in a straight line. However, if we look very closely, they are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning once again an overall drop in value is what is expected from Stormx over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should expect Stormx to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, and potentially dropping down to about 0.006 cents is where I'm expecting Stormx to be trading at by the end of next week. But again guys, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well, but the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Stormx over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking much more positive guys. We're looking quite bullish. Again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Stormx over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys. So potentially, let's say by mid to late September 2023, so approximately over the next 2 months, I am expecting Stormx to be trading at just about 2 cents is what I'm expecting. Yes, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment, but you know, if we do manage to give it approximately 2.5 months, we should expect Stormx to be nearing about the 2 cent target. However, this could only happen if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side and has pumps here and there. But again, that's what I'm expecting as well, as I mentioned in my previous videos, and I am expecting Bitcoin to be trading over $35,000 in September 2023. So hopefully we should see all the other cryptos going in a positive direction, moving upwards, including Stormx heading up to the 2 cents target in September to October 2023. But yeah, this is my take on Stormx guys. It's been quite volatile, as you guys can see, with major pumps last week, hitting over the 1 cent target. 0.01523 cents here, and then straight away dropping back down, and right now pumping back up, and it's likely to drop back down again. So it's been up and down, mixture of both green and red candlesticks, quite volatile, very high figures as well that we've been hitting last week. But again, the overall outcome at the moment is more on the positive side. But as I mentioned earlier, I do expect more drops in value over the short term, but over the next couple of weeks and months, we should see more green candles moving the crypto in a positive direction. But yeah, what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys predict Stormx to be hitting in 2023. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below as well, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And let me know if you guys are bullish or bearish on Stormx. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment, and at the end of the day it is free to do all of those things, so make sure to go down and make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.